everybody. We're on the boat. Say hi, girls.
Hi.
You excited to go on the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we'll take this video and send it to Dad later. And look, Kyle's driving.
Because I'm learning.
Kyle's driving. There's Tammy. Hi. And that's it. We're going to go out today. See?
And we will update you later.
We'll update you later. Pretty out here. This is for the girls' video. Here you go. Gorgeous. Girls. Their mama. And now we're going for the beach. Yeah, the birds are pretty. Rain over there. That's Atlantic City over there, girls. Pretty. There's Mystic. There's Dave driving. Sammy, hold on! How does Daddy drive in the Bahamas?
I don't know. He never really drives.
He doesn't drive. It's crazy though in the Bahamas.
Sometimes.
Sometimes it's raining now. Here, we got rain, people.
I mean, it's raining now.
We got rain.
We got rain.
Yay! All right, the girls are gonna fish next. Stay tuned. All right, you can hold it. Oh, there you go. There you go. There. Pull. We might have something. We might have something. Go ahead. I got the back of your pole. What'd you get? What'd you get? You got one. Good job, girl.
Leave it in the water. Leave it in the water.
Leave it in the water.
Always leave it in the water.
Always leave it in the water. Hold on, Dave. I got the pole. Look what you did, girl.
I'm going to get my phone. Don't sit the coolie down the list. Hold on.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I just saw another fluke. Just come up.
All right.
Good job, Sam. Yay.
Back there.
Stay where you are. Just don't let it out of the water.
See what it is.
See what it is first. Keep coming. It's a little
Probably
one.
the same poor guy.
No, we're free. All right, Dave. Here, I'll switch with you. Hold on.
Oh, he's not even moving. Is that normal?
No, he's just chilling because you like freaked him out. See, he's moving. All right. Whoa.
Stay here.
Stay right there.
Stay right there.
Stay right there. Dave's gonna come to you.
Do you want a picture with it?
With it, I can take a picture in the water.
So I said I'm not even gonna.
That's not a
Oh! Good thing the GoPro's waterproof. That's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but check that thing out. It's got like an eel in its mouth. Cute eel. Check that out. That's pretty freaking awesome. Oh, it's gonna fly.
What's that? Arrow?
Yeah, I think so.
That guy's cheap.
Ducks. Wait, what is his name again?
Mine's Jose.
Jose. He's like, he's in the back more. And then there's Felicia. And there's Rachel. And there's Guy Chest Hair.
Hi, Ducks.
Guy Chest Hair. I'll show you. Guy Chest Hair. He has like a little triangle on his chest that's brown.
Guy chest hair.
Felicia is a brown duck, and she has like these beautiful like violet, blue, greenish feathers.
She's pretty awesome.
And then,
Wait, Felicia, wait.
and then what is yours one?
Mine's Jose. He's my favorite.
Jose is like he's a mix of the white
White
ones and
and the brown ones. He's like, I've never seen a duck like him before. He is the cutest.
And then here's geese,
Oh, here's some geese. We don't like geese.
and those are some more ducks over
There's some
there.
more ducks.
That geese turd on there.
Look at all the poop.
Ew.
Can we discuss?
That is.
And look, they've got an owl and like a crane to scare the birds and stuff away, and it didn't work.
that is just.
And then there's Kyle up there, and we're almost to the house. There's the yellow house. That's us.
Our yellow house. Our yellow house. Our yellow.
Did you have a fun time on the boat?
Yes, I did.
Good.
I had a fun time. And Dave we almost ran over a duck.
Yeah, we almost killed the duck,
Yeah,
but we didn't.
but we didn't.
We were good.
And if we did, I would have been sobbing.
And last night we did sparklers.
Yeah, we did sparklers. We had fun. Up.
Get down.
There's our house. All right, we got to get off because we have to dock the boat.
All right,
All right.
we will see you guys
Bye.
later.
Bye. Bye.